like this in Norway feel unreal. Today, we are back on the road, and honestly, this drive feels like we are moving through a real life painting. Glaciers, turquoise lakes, mountain hikes, and peaceful camp evenings all in one. It's hard to beat this kind of travel. Welcome to another day in paradise. We are heading towards Lovatnet Lake first. Lovatnet is one of Norway's most beautiful lakes and one of the most breathtaking places. Lovatnet Lake is in Stryn, located along National Road 15, and is easily reachable by car from major cities like Ålesund, Bergen, and Oslo. The moment we reached Lovatnet, we were mesmerized by the landscape. That deep turquoise blue water surrounded by dramatic mountains. It looks surreal. And of course, we couldn't resist straight into the lake for a swim. It's freezing, the kind of cold that hits you instantly, but also incredibly refreshing, like nature just resetting your entire system. Best time to visit Lake Lovatnet is from June to August. During summertime, you will be able to see the lake's stunning bright blue waters. After warming a bit, we decided to take a drive toward Shendals Glacier. The road itself is stunning, following the lake deeper into the valley with waterfalls and cliffs all around. We drove as close as the road allowed, and from there it already feels so close to the glacier. We parked and walked a bit further into the forest trail. The walk is peaceful, surrounded by trees, with sound of water running nearby. Seeing Shendals Glacier up close like this is surreal. It's powerful and peaceful at the same time. The next day, we went for a hike to Raksetra to see postcard-perfect panoramic views of Olden and Loyen valleys. The hike starts from the parking area at Oppheim, and there is usually a parking fee of around 70 to 85 NOK per car. Parking can get busy, especially during peak summertime. The trail start is close to the parking. Trail is well marked all the way up. It is short walk around 2.7 kilometers. The hike is short but steep in some parts. Nothing too long but enough to get your heart going. As you climb, views start getting more dramatic with every step. And then you reach it, the iconic Raksetra viewpoint. Honestly, no camera can capture how beautiful this place is. The turquoise lake, the steep mountains, and that silence. It's one of those views that just makes you stop and breathe it in. From Raksetra, continuing hiking up to Mount Hoven and then taking the gondola down is a spectacular route. After soaking in the view at Raksetra, we went back down and couldn't resist another quick swim in Lovatnet. Same freezing water, same shock, but somehow even more fun the second time. Overlooking beautiful Lake Lovatnet is this mountain farm, Brengseter. We took a short stroll at this beautiful farm. It was very simple and peaceful. If you liked watching our video, then do like, comment and subscribe to our channel. We wrapped up the day back at Strynvatn camping, relaxing and just enjoying the slow evening vibes. After a full day of driving, hiking, swimming and exploring, this calm feels perfect. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel related stories.